Pranam dosto, hello friends. PSM, Community Medicine as a Career Option, and I am your own Dr. Vivek Jain. Friends, a brief introduction about me. I have done my MBBS from the prestigious Maulana Azad Medical College, New Delhi, and I got an opportunity to do my MD Community Medicine from the very prestigious Lady Hardinge Medical College of Delhi. I have been very lucky that I was able to do my SRship, complete it in parts from two best medical colleges of Delhi, that is University College of Medical Sciences and Vardhaman Mahavir Medical College. I have also served as a faculty with Goldfield Institute of Medical Sciences, NCR Delhi, and SAMS Institute Indore. Friends, I have also worked as a consultant with United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime for the SAARC countries. My core area of expertise was HIV prevention among drug users. But ultimately, my passion for teaching brought me to this landscape. Friends, I have been teaching since last 19 years now, and I have taught across multiple cities and many medical colleges of India and multiple countries also. I think in my live classes, I must have taught close to 5 lakh plus students till date. Friends, during teaching, I developed a love for writing, and I eventually ended up authoring 7 books from 10 different subjects of medicine, out of which 5 of them turned out to be bestsellers, thanks to you. Friends, I have also been a part of this startup culture. I developed India's first bilingual app for medical students in the country. Also, friends, currently I am a co-founder of Cerebellum Academy. Friends, I have experience from various sectors. So what I will try to do, I will try to translate this experience into this particular video so that it can help you decide whether PSM is the right field for you as a candidate or not. Now friends, why this video? I've been getting this question that what exactly this PSM field is all about. What do I get to learn? What are the pros? What are the cons? And I've been getting this question since last 19 years itself. So friends, let me try to put in my experience, my knowledge, and try to help you reach the conclusion whether this field is meant for you as a student or not. Friends, if you are watching this video, that means you have already made up your mind, or maybe you are in the contemplative phase that possibility of PSM as a career option is still open for you. Great to hear. I am a lover of PSM, and any lover of PSM is most welcome to join the field. In my opinion, definitely a bias may be there, but I feel PSM is one of the best medical fields to practice beyond your graduation level. Although I also like pediatrics, psychiatry, dermatology and obs and gynae also. But this is all based on your personal preference, and biases do come in between. And friends, like I always look at the positive side of anything first, let me share with you the pros of having PSM or going for PSM as a career option. Now, one of the biggest pros I realize is the availability of government jobs, and if you can secure it in a medical college as a faculty. Friends, it comes with its own perks and own advantages. You have a fixed job, you have fixed timings. It is 9 to 4 job. All the Sundays, all the leaves are there. You will get all the facilities, LTC or any other available facilities will be accorded to you. So this is one of the biggest pluses if you can get this job. I know a lot of your seniors will tell you that there are no jobs in PSM. Friends, all the fields are saturated, be it basic clinical sciences, preclinical, paraclinical, clinical, or even specialized, super specialized branches. So let's not look at that part. Definitely it is there. Similar in radiology, surgery also, anatomy, PSM also. Since friends, you are having time with you, you can give time to yourself, your family, friends, and even your hobbies. But this is what you find in a medical college, 9 to 4 job, which is there in most of the pre and paraclinical branches also. But once you move out, you get an opportunity to become a part of international health agencies like WHO or United Nations. Friends, I have worked extensively with United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime. I have traveled extensively for that work also. I can tell you, it's a very satisfactory job, no doubt at all. But the problem is they work like MNC 24/7, 365 days of the year. They will pay you the best in the industry, but then they will extract all the work, all the skills that you are possessing right from you. But as I pointed out, the biggest pro, extreme work satisfaction, that you are directly doing something for the population, and of course you will have a 7-star lifestyle if you are working for these international health agencies. Friends, one more option lies in the wings for you. That is, you can join any NGO at domestic, state, national or international level. A lot of work you will have to do in the field, but the creative satisfaction will be there, and definitely you will go home in the evening as a happy person. Quite a few of my seniors ended up joining these NGOs for a very long term basis. Another option that I find lucrative for the aspirants is you can join and work in the national health programs of India. Openings are always there. See, of course, work will be there where there is less development, but then they will pay you more. It will be extensive work, including extensive travel also. But I can guarantee job satisfaction to the max, and you will be really happy that you have joined PSM as a field, as a career choice. Friends, one more question I've been getting from students since many years. Does PSM give you an option to start clinical practice post your MD? Answer is yes, definitely yes. Friends, you can open your clinic or you can join any nursing home as a medical officer after doing your community medicine post graduation. Friends, it will give you additional benefit. And what is that benefit? That you will develop a good level of communication skills. That is the need of the day to interact with the patients, and it will give you not just communication skills, but you will develop an administrative side to your skill set, and also you will be able to deal with the patients in a more balanced, effective way, leading to a roaring clinical practice. Friends, I remember two of my seniors from Lady Hardinge Medical College did start clinical practice, and within months of starting, they became quite successful to the surprise of many. So friends, no doubt at all, this could also be kept as a career option at the back of your mind. Friends, PSM field is so vast. You will get an opportunity in a variety of fields. Even I cannot guess. Only when I come to know, okay, this was also an option through the field of PSM or community medicine. So you can definitely join as an epidemiologist and do research and do studies. You can work as a public health specialist at the National Center for Disease Control based in Delhi. It's a wonderful job. At least 3 of my juniors are working as public health specialists there, and I'm really amazed at the kind of work or output they are generating. You can work as a medical officer at a primary health center or community health center. That way, you can actually deliver directly your efforts to the population of the catchment area. You can join national institutes like ICMR, National Institute of Health and Family Welfare, State Institute of Health and Family Welfare in varying capacities. Friends, also in pharmaceutical industries, you can join as a person who is monitoring the research and the clinical trials. Friends, if I have to draw one of the biggest pros from all the discussion we had in last 5 minutes, I will say PSM provides you with immense job satisfaction. That should be kept in mind, because this is ultimately what we want at the end of the day. And mind you, you will never feel the pinch of money, because this field will provide you always at a higher scale as compared to the other clinical branches or sciences. As far as I have seen, the more you can put in labor, the more you can apply your skill set, the more money you are going to earn. So if money is the issue or money is the thought which is driving your thought process, don't worry. If you work hard, I can guarantee money will follow you like anything. But this is true for all the fields, not just the field of PSM. Friends, I will be failing in my duty as a mentor if I don't tell you the associated cons with this field of preventive and social medicine, that is community medicine. Friends, first thing first, please think about this field only when you are serious. Many times I have seen students quitting the field in the second or even the third year of the MD post graduation. That's not a good thing. You have wasted one seat also, plus again you have to start from scratch or zero. So this should be kept in mind. Please give a complete detailed thought to this, whether this field is meant for you or not. That should be kept in mind. And how can you convince your mind whether you are meant for PSM field or not meant for this particular field? Look at yourself. Do you want a OPD? Do you want a stethoscope? Do you want a line of patients outside your clinic? Then definitely PSM field is not meant for you, because if you join the field despite loving stethoscope, then there is a big chance that you may start feeling frustrated after some time. You will not get to see the patients, you will not get to see or touch the patient or the clinical side. Also, you will be getting involved more and more into administrative side of the field, which is not everyone's cup of tea. So I will recommend, take a long time to decide, but once you decide, then you should never look back. One of the other big cons that I feel the field of PSM or community medicine present is that there is no direct job available for you in a corporate hospital or a nursing home next to your home. Friends, if you have done any other branch, let's say like anesthesia, surgery, pediatric, psychiatrist, you can go to any small hospital, a big corporate hospital, a nursing home, and you can directly apply for a job if a vacancy is there. But for the field of PSM community medicine, no such direct availability of jobs is there. This has to be strictly kept in mind. And also friends, one more flip side to the field of PSM I feel is that once you join a NGO, international agency or any other organized sector, then you will find most of the work is desk job, or if it is a travel based job, then it will be extensive travel. Friends, when I was working with United Nations, I used to do international travel extensively across multiple SAARC countries. Initially, I used to love it. Frankly, I will not lie to you. But slowly and slowly, it start taking a toll on your physical as well as mental health also. Because not only your personal life, but your family and social life will also suffer. This is a big thing that you have to readjust your working environment to and your personal life also too. Now friends, we have looked at all the pros and cons. And now if you have made up your mind that you have to join PSM, you are most welcome to the field of PSM. And this field of PSM will welcome you all with open arms. Friends, if I tell you the good colleges for PSM in the country, then it starts from Delhi. AIIMS Delhi, Maulana Azad Medical College Delhi, Lady Hardinge Medical College Delhi, University College of Medical Sciences and VMMC are also coming up. Friends, PGI Chandigarh, KEM Mumbai, KGMC Lucknow are also having wonderful PSM departments. PGI Chandigarh, JIPMER also give you an opportunity to learn and apply your skill data set to various problems and find the solutions to them. Rohtak, Varda, All India Institute of Hygiene and Public Health, Kolkata also ranks among the top institutes of the country. Now friends, suppose if you are not able to make it to one of these top institutions, nothing to worry. What I will recommend to you, try to go for the medical college in the capital city of your state. That will give you more opportunity, that will help you develop better PR, better communication skills, and definitely when the time comes, more opportunities will be there. But my personal experience also tells me, I must tell you, that 10 years down the line, frankly the name of your undergraduation college or even MD PSM post graduation college will not matter. Just like your 10th class and 12th class mark sheet don't matter now. So this you have to remember. So don't worry, if you love the field, join the college, try to learn as much as possible from that particular department and the college. I am sure when you come out of that particular department and college after completion of PG, you will feel like a winner. So friends, in a single word, if someone asks me, is PSM really worth it? Answer is a big yes. Yes, it is really worth it. But also I must tell you something, that this is true for all the fields. Luck, hard work, dedication all play a big role in shaping your career and determining the success for you as a professional. Friends, also remember, hard work, determination only can lead you to success irrespective of the field, be it anatomy, physiology, be it radiology, surgery. It all depends on your own attitude, your own commitment and your own hard work, and that is purely 100% in your own hands. No one can do anything to that. Friends, also I must remind you, I am not the right person actually to present this video or share my thoughts with you, because I love PSM as a field like anything. Anyone ask me, I will say, please come and join the field. Try to contribute to the community and the society and the nation as a whole. And why not we go global? Several of my seniors are currently based at Geneva, WHO headquarters, or they are working in multilateral or international health agencies and are doing exemplary work across different countries of the world. So friends, I will say take an informed decision, make an informed choice before joining any particular field. Do extensive groundwork. Go and meet the residents of PSM department of your medical college or a medical college you are planning to join. Meet juniors as well as seniors. Let them share their experiences with you. Few of them may be having some frustrations, but few of them may be very happy. That will help you guide and try to help you decide whether you are meant for this field, or rather let me say whether this field of PSM is meant for you or not. Friends, I have tried to share all my knowledge and experience to the best of my capacity with you. Even after going through this video, you still have any queries left, please feel free to join me on WhatsApp, Instagram handle, Gmail, or any other social media platform. I'll be more than happy to solve your queries, address your doubts, and try to help you reach a decision which can shape up your professional medical career like anything. Friends, thank you so much. From the team of Cerebellum and Dr. Vivek Jain, I wish you all the best. Stay on course, stay healthy, stay safe.